Hi everyone, this is Rohan and in this video I am going to discuss about how to draw and use tables in Microsoft Whiteboard. Come, let's learn. In order to draw a table in Microsoft Whiteboard, the first thing that you must do after opening the app is go to settings and then turn on ink to shape and ink to table. After this, choose a color of the pen of your own choice and randomly just draw a rectangle. You see, the rectangle will be rectified on its own. Then just randomly divide the rectangle into two parts. You see, now this has been assigned as a table. Now using this plus sign here, you can add columns. Using this minus sign, you can subtract columns. Using this plus sign, you can add rows. Or using this minus sign, you can subtract rows. Now here, you might think that this space provided is too less. Do not worry about that. Just select a color of a pen of your choice and start writing, and just notice here the app will enlarge the size of each cell on its own depending upon what you are writing in it. Okay, so just see as I write how the sizes gets added on its own, right? So now let's say you have written up to this and suddenly you realize that you need more columns and more rows. So what do? So the first thing that you do is you have to first deselect the pen here, and then you need to double click on any empty cell. Once you do that, you see again this plus and subtract signs appear on both the sides. So here you can simply add columns and rows simply by using that. Again, to start writing, just select a pen of your choice and then you can again start writing here. Okay, so now all of this you can do using a mouse and a keyboard, right? But in order to use this app of Microsoft Whiteboard to its fullest, I strongly suggest that you use a pen tablet. Now if you are wondering which pen tablet should you go for, let me guide you for that. So I personally use and highly recommend the Vic A15 full panel tablet. Four of my other colleagues and I are currently using this. In fact, this video itself was made using this tablet. So if you're interested to buy it, I'm pasting a product link in the description below so that you can directly click on it and buy it. All right, so this brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask it in the comments below. I hope this was useful for you and thank you for your time.